Are you tired of struggling with your old bandsaw that just can't handle resawing wood efficiently? This video is for you! After testing countless models, we found the top 5 best bandsaws for resawing wood in 2024. These picks are based on their performance, durability, and ease of use. So, if you want to discover which bandsaw will make your woodworking projects a breeze, stay until the end. And remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. Alright, let's dive into the amazing WEN 2 8, a 9-inch bandsaw. This little powerhouse has really impressed me. First off, the motor. With 2.8 amps, it spins the blade at up to 2,500 feet per minute. That's pretty fast, and makes cutting through wood feel like slicing butter. Let's talk about its cutting capacity. This saw can handle cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide. That's pretty versatile for a range of projects, from small intricate pieces to larger woodworking tasks. The work table is spacious and can bevel up to 45 degrees. This is great for making angled cuts without having to wrestle with the material. Plus, the included accessories like the rip fence and miter gauge add to its versatility. But some users have reported vibration issues, especially when cutting thicker materials. Bolting it down can help, but it's something to be aware of. Also, you might find yourself needing additional blades for specific cuts. Despite these minor drawbacks, the WEN 2 8, a 9-inch bandsaw offers excellent value for money. It's priced reasonably for what it delivers, making it accessible for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. The dust port is another plus, helping to keep your workspace clean. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with a 4.4 out of 5 rating from over 1,000 reviews. Many users, especially beginners, find it easy to assemble and operate. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable, versatile bandsaw that won't break the bank, the WEN 2 8, a 9-inch bandsaw is a solid choice. It's perfect for home projects and offers features that make woodworking a joy rather than a chore. Check out the link in the description to see more details and read other user reviews. When it comes to resawing wood, the Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw truly excels. One of the first features you'll appreciate is its expansive 360 square inch cast iron work surface. This large table offers plenty of room, making it easier to handle and cut sizable pieces of wood with accuracy. With over 13 inches of resaw capacity, this bandsaw is ideal for slicing veneers and crafting book-matched panels. The robust 1.75 horsepower motor ensures that even thick lumber is effortlessly managed by this machine. The construction quality of the Jet 14-inch bandsaw is another standout feature. Its heavy-duty tubular steel welded frame guarantees durability and stability during use, which is essential for achieving clean, precise cuts. A notable aspect you can't ignore is the dual 4-inch dust ports. These ports significantly enhance cleanliness, making it easier to keep your workspace tidy. The toolless, independently adjustable upper and lower ball-bearing blade guides are also a major advantage, saving you both time and effort. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The bandsaw is quite heavy, which can make moving and setting it up a bit challenging, especially in smaller workshops. Some users have also mentioned that the bandsaw can be louder than expected, which might be a concern if you're working in a shared space. Despite these minor issues, the Jet 14-inch bandsaw has received positive feedback from many users. Its sturdy construction, ease of use, and powerful motor make it a valuable addition to any workshop. In terms of value for money, the Jet 14-inch bandsaw offers a lot of quality and performance for its price. It's highly recommended for those seeking a reliable and powerful bandsaw for woodworking projects. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes quality and performance over portability, this bandsaw is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details and to read other user reviews. Alright, let's take a closer look at the WEN 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw. This tool has truly been a game changer for many woodworking aficionados, and it's easy to see why. To start, the motor is incredibly powerful, allowing for cuts up to 6 inches deep and 9 3/4 inches wide. This makes it ideal for thicker wood pieces that other saws might struggle with. One of the most impressive features is its blade compatibility. It accommodates 72-inch blades ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inches in width. This versatility enables you to handle a variety of cutting tasks, from intricate curves to straight cuts. The work table is also quite spacious and can tilt up to 45 degrees, which is great for those tricky angled cuts. The speed settings are another highlight. This bandsaw is designed to cater to different materials and cutting needs. This flexibility is a huge plus, especially if you're working with various types of wood. However, it's not without its flaws. Some users have experienced issues with blade tracking and tension adjustments. This can be frustrating, particularly if you're in the middle of a project and the blade starts to veer off course or doesn't stay properly calibrated. Many users praise the sturdy construction and overall design of the WN bandsaw. It feels solid and reliable, which is essential for any woodworking tool. The included accessories such as the work light, dust port, fence, miter gauge, and blade add value and convenience, making the saw more user-friendly. Despite some drawbacks, the WN 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw is a great option for hobbyists and those seeking a versatile bandsaw for light-duty projects. The 2-year warranty also offers peace of mind, ensuring support in case of defects or issues. In conclusion, the WN 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw provides a lot of value. It's versatile, powerful, and comes with some excellent features. However, potential buyers should be aware of the adjustment challenges and consider their own experience level with woodworking machinery before making a purchase. You can check out the WN 10-inch bandsaw through the link in the description. Alright, let's explore the Weaver 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw. This tool is a true game changer for woodworking enthusiasts, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. One of its most impressive features is its versatility. Picture working on a project that involves cutting through various materials like wood, metal, or plastic. This bandsaw can handle it all, thanks to its powerful motor and adjustable speed settings. The dual speed settings are a real lifesaver. You can toggle between high and low speeds based on the material you're working with. This is especially handy when resawing wood, as you can fine-tune the speed to achieve a smoother cut. The tilting table is another feature that adds a ton of flexibility. If you've ever struggled with making bevel cuts, you'll love the table's ability to tilt up to 45 degrees. This makes those challenging angled cuts much simpler and more accurate. Assembly can be a bit tricky. The instructions aren't the clearest, so you might find yourself puzzled a few times. But once it's set up, you'll see that the saw performs exceptionally well. One thing that really stood out to me is the overheat protection feature. If you've ever had a tool overheat in the middle of a project, you know how annoying that can be. This bandsaw comes with built-in overheat protection, which gives you peace of mind during extended cutting sessions. In terms of performance, the saw does an excellent job, but it's best to use a slow and steady approach for optimal results. Overall, the Weaver 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw offers a great deal of value. It's versatile, includes some fantastic safety features, and performs well across various materials. If you're in the market for a dependable bandsaw that won't drain your wallet, this one is definitely worth checking out. Click the link in the description for more details and to see if it's the perfect fit for your workshop. Alright, let's jump into the Scale 2-8, a 9-inch 2-speed bandsaw. This tool is a game changer for anyone serious about woodworking. One of the most impressive features is its powerful motor. If you've ever had trouble cutting through thicker or tougher wood, you'll love how easily this saw handles various materials. The 2-speed drive system offers amazing versatility. Whether you're working on a delicate project or need to power through a tougher piece, you can quickly switch between speeds. This flexibility is a lifesaver, especially when you need to maintain precision. Speaking of precision, the quick blade tension setting is a feature that solves a common problem. We've all been there, struggling to get the blade tension just right. With this saw, it's a breeze. You can make fast and accurate adjustments, ensuring your cuts are always spot on. And there's an aspect you can't overlook, the rack and pinion table adjustment. If you've ever had to deal with cumbersome angle adjustments, you'll love how quick and easy this makes the process. It's all about making your work more efficient and enjoyable. But not everything is perfect. One downside is the absence of a rip fence. For those who rely on this accessory for straight cuts, it might be a bit of a letdown. But don't worry, you can purchase a compatible fence separately. The steel base provides excellent stability. If you've ever had a saw wobble mid-cut, you know how crucial this is for precision. The dust port is also a thoughtful addition, helping you keep your workspace clean. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Many appreciate the saw's robust performance and user-friendly design. The miter gauge included for crosscuts is a nice touch, adding to the saw's versatility. In conclusion, the Scale 2-8, a 9-inch 2-speed bandsaw is a well-rounded tool that brings a lot to the table. While it has a few minor drawbacks, its strengths far outweigh them. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile bandsaw, this one should definitely be on your radar. Check out the link in the description to see more details and user reviews.